Call somebody up. Phone. Give me your phone number, and I will call you up when we are in town. Calm down. Relax after being angry. You are still mad. You need to calm down before you drive the car. Not care for somebody, something, not like, formal. I don't care for his behavior. Catch up. Get to the same point as somebody else. You'll have to run faster than that if you want to catch up with Marty. Check in. Arrive and register at a hotel or airport. We will get the hotel keys when we check in. Check out. Leave a hotel. You have to check out by 11 a.m. Check somebody, something out. Look at carefully. Investigate. The company checks out all new employees. Check out somebody, something. Look at. Informal. Check out the crazy hair on that guy. Cheer up. Become happier. She cheered up when she heard the good news. Cheer somebody up. Make happier. I brought you some flowers to cheer you up. Chip in. Help. If everyone chips in, we can get the kitchen painted by noon. Clean something up. Tidy. Clean. Please clean up your room before you go out. Come across something. Find unexpectedly. I came across these old photos when I was tidying the closet. Come apart. Separate. The top and bottom come apart if you pull hard enough. Come down with something. Become sick. My nephew came down with chicken pox this weekend. Come forward. Volunteer for a task or to give evidence. The woman came forward with her husband's fingerprints. Come from somewhere. Originate in. The art of origami comes from Japan. Count on somebody, something. Rely on. I am counting on you to make dinner while I am out. Cross something out. Draw a line through. Please cross out your old address and write your new one. Cut back on something. Consume less. My doctor wants me to cut back on sweets and fatty foods. Cut something down. Make something fall to the ground. We had to cut the old tree in our yard down after the storm. Cut in. Interrupt. Your father cut in while I was dancing with your uncle. Cut in. Pull in too closely in front of another vehicle. The bus driver got angry when that car cut in. Cut something off. Remove with something sharp. The doctors cut off his leg because it was severely injured. Cut something off. Stop providing. The phone company cut off our phone because we didn't pay the bill. Cut somebody off. Take out of a will. His parents cut him off when he left home. Cut something out. Remove part of something, usually with scissors and paper. I cut this ad out of the newspaper.